Hello friends, what is dnSpy? So basically dnSpy is a .NET deassembler tool. So you can debug the .NET applications, assemblies, and you can edit as well. So these are the features for the dnSpy. Why it is used? Because there are many enterprise applications which can be broken by easily. So that's why the .NET tool is there. So which is like you can take any applications and you can break them through their DLL. So you can copy that entire code and you can learn from it, and also you can copy the entire software as well. So for that dnSpy is mainly used. So it's a reverse engineering tool, I can say. So let's get jump into the practical way. So you can download it from its official site, dnSpy GitHub release link. So you will get like 32 bits and 64 bits. Also they have their framework version, also source code is here. So you can download. After download you will get a zip folder kind of thing. So you can extract it and you will get the dnSpy exe. So after launch it, let me launch. Yeah, so this is the dnSpy tool. So you can import your libraries to see what inside it. So today we are going to explore one of the enterprise level application which is used by Elsevier. So I have downloaded and installed in my system. So let's go to the application Elsevier ebooks. You can see, so I will go to here and I will go for some random library packages. For example, it looks like the exe, and I see to our spy tool. Okay, let me delete first it, then we will take this. Okay, so I took this assemblies. So you can see their entire metadata is came. So what their assembly title and what is the description and all, so base information you will find here. So let's go explore their exe in detail. So what and all they have. So I found something called log trace listener. So how they're logging it. So you can see their entire logic is exposed now. So where their contents and all, so everything is got exposed now. So let's jump into the initial screen. Yeah, so you can see the main I can access. So they're checking something. Initialize instance if bookshell elsewhere, so they only they can go inside, and they're launching the splash screen. And later on they're doing some operations. And here, so you can see their XAML file path, so new URI path, so they're mentioning it. So yeah, that's the thing. Let's go to another some bootstrap thing. Yeah, not much here. Yeah, so here I can find multiple things. So brand, they are having some I brand. So based on the, you can see here hockey app id, so you can get their app id easily here, which is exposed. Also you can see here the support url for them, so directly you can access them. It's, so you can see here they are trying to do some addition, so that also you can find it here. So crash submission url, trademark Elsevier. So you can see many of information is exposed, and you can also copy this information easily and you can put into your application as well. So let's go to some of the others. These are the properties. Okay, let's explore something else. Let's go to the bookshelf shell so that we can go to know more. Okay, so here it is. Let's go inside. So you can see all their information is, we can see easily without any authentication kind of thing. social resources. You can see their information, whatever they are doing, missing resource or whatever their logics, what is their service errors kind of thing. All the information we are able to see. So that's how you can reverse engineer the entire application by seeing its all class label, method label uh, things. Also you can see their all resources, whatever they're using it. So you can see their entire png access, everything, and you can just simply save it to your local machine. So all the icons, images, you can see all things are exposed here, which they may be used for marketing or their branding, anything. So that's how you can explore this tool more. And also if you have any questions or doubt, you can comment below. Thank you for the share. We'll see you. Like, share and subscribe for the more videos.